Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
I try to show you how some people careless with them people. You see me? Look how much traffic up on the road. Like seriously. I watch a little girl. Look a little girl. I look through the window. Big man thing. Post a little girl drop out or anything licking her back her bus. Watch a little girl. Move on the little girl. Come down little girl. Go and tell little girl to come down now. Come down. Move little girl. Police can't stop the bus. Watch him. Move on there.
Hi, welcome to Flu. Technical support. You're speaking with Wes. How may I assist?
Hello?
Yes, hello. How may I assist?
For the last time my internet now work, I'm giving them dirty money, I want my internet.
You're not receiving any internet connectivity?
No, you're deaf. You not hear me. Open up your ears,
All right.
sir.
Happy to assist. May I have your name for reference?
My name?
Yes, please.
My name Margaret.
Okay, thank you.
But my friend call me Fluffy with an F.
All right, Margaret is just fine. Miss Margaret, let me do some checks on your account. May I have your account number, please?
Sir, I remember that.
Is the number you're calling from the same on the file?
I have to know, sir. Why you question me? Turn on my Wi-Fi and stop asking me foolishness.
I am sorry for the inconvenience. Let me try your number to access your account. Can I put you on a brief hold?
Hurry up, man, because I waste my time. Because from last time, I tried.
God, take me out of this foolishness. Take me outside. You see the problem, God. Miss Margaret,
What?
it seems you should be receiving internet connectivity.
Then the most. You think me an idiot? I want my money, sir.
We're going to go ahead and troubleshoot this issue. Do you have access to the router?
I want him, so.
The white box that you receive internet from.
Oh, the internet box. Sir, they have some leave. Obviously, I can access it.
Okay, what are the lights you are seeing on the router?
Sir, I don't see a light on the box.
Can you please check to see if the router is plugged in?
No. What you think to me, idiot? You know must plug in, sir?
Miss Margaret, I understand your frustration. Can you try plugging the power cable out and plugging it back in?
Me do that already. Nothing now come up.
Okay, is it possible to try plugging the router into a different outlet?
That wouldn't make no sense, sir. Me an idiot.
Miss Margaret, there may be an issue with the outlet.
Sir, I'm me I tell you. No other socket not gonna work out like gone from last night.
I'm sorry, Miss Margaret, can you please repeat that? I'm not sure I heard you correctly.
Me say, lights gone, box not gonna turn on.
Truth is, I'm tired.
Miss Margaret, Miss Margaret, unfortunately, we won't be able to assist you without having electricity in the house. However, if you are not receiving internet connectivity after your electricity is reconnected, please feel free to call us back.
So you really sit down there yourself and waste my time?
Miss Margaret, is there anything else I can do for you?
No, me no want nothing.
All right, thank you for making it Flu. And remember, you can make payments on the My Flu app. Please do have an extraordinary day.
Sir, come up on my phone, please.
Let me make sure I put on my glass how you can see what me I say. Me and the little cat here text. It reach night now, so me I say, good night, babes. Hope you have a wonderful night. Sleep good, you know? The cat replied to me and I go say, good night, on. May your soul rest in peace. Around 3 weeks now, me not sleep, you know?
You're like national of Jamaica, right?
I'm me for tell you. Me love national more than all cartel love cake soup, especially the national out of Halfway Road. They so them brother them bun turn up.
Excuse me?
Them cream crackers taste alright. I like it. It can go and eat it with butter and them something there.
What are you talking about?
You just asked me if me like national of Jamaica. Hold on there. Foreign have national too. I feed them bread and bun and bull are supposed to all turn over.
I meant, where are you from?
Yeah. You don't know that big upstairs and downstairs house down a rich man lane there so. Right pan the gully back, the platinum house me attack around there so.
No, I seriously.
Me say me wake up a while ago and panic.
Me not see my boyfriend beside me. Me run go in the bathroom, me not see him. Me fly go out the door, me not see him. Besides, just as me really like me if you have heart attack. Me remember say me not have none.
Oh, no, 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 no. Me say she have Tom, Dick and Harry and still want Advil. It look like she can manage a battery. Me a boy go good school, go get me degree. And through me have me degree now, I be a hot girl and roll on. So right there so, me just choose the browning. When me check it out, the browning a bleach. That's why me love woman in a uniform, you know. Especially police. But me don't want a constable, me want cop soup. Whether Grace or Maggie, yeah man. And when we check it over them big woman there, their front ever squeeze. They make me come quick. But she say me they are the best minute meal. You know why she say it nice? Because me go lift weights and make when me lift her up when we are make club, she feel lighter. Then she asks me if me can bear it. I say, well, I'm here, babes. Remember, say me come from in the tropics, you know. 5 years me and her attack. So you can call that a long love. Even though we cuss and everything and people say we life coming like soap. We always find ways to polish off things. She said she love man with chocolate. But me know and me have one of the best woman ever. If a boy think a lie, me I tell, me have my last money for me and I'm not afraid for Betty.
You catch up the seed and make the seed shrink up. And that's why I make all the whole time man take with enough man woman. Because the seed bag long. And when he go up and slam, the seed bag rackle hand and batty root and tickler. Right? If you know man she speak and know in tongue, she say wait, I want to so I go on so. You must say you see that blue film work, you know, right? You understand? Yeah, anyhow.
Come boy with the fat black.
Yo, remember say Bro-Gad say the whole gun thing in the brother. We are trying to do something different here, so. Alright, ready up.
Alright. What's your style?
Tell them me say fi lock shot. No palm boy with me pop shot. Apple blossom load up that slap hot. If I know that it load up with potato. Skin red up like ripe tomato. See they know they make the thing get drastic. Me have to draw from a paper and elastic.
You mean elastic?
No me mean elastic. Recycle me shot them like a plastic. When me step out you know me not leaving it. Elastic bringing it out and sweet it. Talk to me if I war on one. Green all day so fi fire with strap. Two, somebody get grace. Two, them a sing past ears. Two, that a bounce off a skull. Wait till me get a brand new catapult. Slingshot a spin in a circle like wheel. Rank is a pick, deal or no deal. Grass play shot in a mouth cause you love chat. When him a run go water balloon in and blood. Me say I want that on your shirt. Boy now look alright, watch how me work. Yo, me say dad, I want that on your shirt. Boy look dumb, flips, nose left a dirt.
So me come a while ago and this creepy woman I talk about say she want give me one ginger beer to touch my butt. So me I say, no man, I saw me message you man turn up. So me so. I say man I'm mad. You must be mad.
So how old are you now?
Me 2.
2-year-old? A 2-year-old?
Yes. And I think that I'm my birthday too.
Your birthday too? Okay. And what many you have?
1 penny.
Okay. So you find a new boyfriend it? For how long? When you get to that and you find a new boyfriend?
No.
No man, you must have to go man, you go check man.
But you don't man.
Measures effective September 3 until September 17,
September 3.
2021.
No Instagram. This name love. This name love. Someone that girl for love me. Rain a tear. And my girl. Tow the man on the bicycle. This name love. This name love.